Hey guys, today I want to talk about foam. I only use one kind. I use the Ultra Foam. I find it's the best. There's three different firmnesses on it. One would be the soft, medium, and firm. I use the medium for almost everything. So what it is it's actually a 2.6 density, and it's got a 35-pound compression of the medium. That's what distinguishes mostly the three from each other, is the compression rate. So I just happen to just like, from a standpoint of comfort, durability, it's just what I use all the time. Once in a while a customer will come in, and let's say I had a customer come in who had hip problems, and she needed something firmer. I got something firmer for her in her case, so she needed a 45 compression, which is a very firm foam. I tell you, most people would hate it. But for her, because she had a hard time getting up, it was perfect for her. She loved it. So really, special situations. I never use a soft foam on a seat cushion, ever. I don't know for any reason you would do that. And the soft, I don't even use it on back cushions, but that's another story. I did want to tell you that it comes in many thicknesses. The basic thicknesses are between 1 inch thick and 6 inch thick, but we could get custom cuts up to 8 or 9. And you get into more mattress though, which I don't deal in a lot, which the compression changes on mattresses. It's kind of a funny thing. You really have to know bedding, and that's a whole different area I don't get involved in. Although years ago upholsterers used to do that. But you have to know your compressions, and as an upholsterer I know I'm an expert at fitting the human forms in a sitting down position, not a laying down position. So that's why I kind of really stick with this foam that I have. The only thing I want to tell you about this, other things I want to tell you about this foam, is that it's Cal 117 fire, meets the fire code for Cal 117, California. So I don't have to do that from a residential standpoint, but we do. I think it's a great idea. There's no, it's not harmful to the environment from what I've been told. And there's no off-gassing on this either. Well, you get a lot of off-gassing on the lesser foam, the cheaper variety foam, and usually a good indicator is it's white. If you see white foam, it's usually not a good foam, so stay away from it. It's not Cal 117 coated, and it's off-gassing. So I kind of handpicked the materials that you get on the Upholstery on Broadway site, where you're going through the store. They're really hand-picked by me. I try to keep it as simple as possible, and that's about as simple as I can talk about foam. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.